Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This pork cordon bleu recipe takes tender pork loin, pounded thin and stuffed with creamy cheese and savory prosciutto cotto, then dusted in flour, deeper in egg wash, and coated with a golden breadcrumb. Then fried in any oil until perfectly crisp. The result is a juicy cutlet with a crunchy shell and a gooey cheesy center. Finish with a touch of onions powder, salt, and pepper for balance. Each slice is a cut of pièce for beautiful plating and serve warm. A show-stopping dish that both rustic and elegant, ideal for family dinner or a special occasion. Like and subscribe and get notified. Thank you. Instruction: lay the pounded pork loin slice flat. Season lightly with onions powder, sea salt, and black pepper. Place one piece of Swiss cheese, one piece of prosciutto on each slice of the pork. Roll tightly, securing the filling inside. Lightly dust each roll in flour. Dip into the beating eggs, coating evenly with breadcrumbs and set aside on a tray. Heat the peanut oil in a skillet over low to medium heat. Fry the pork roll for 7 to 8 minutes per side until golden brown and fully coated. Remove from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. Slice each roll in a diagonal for elegant presentation. Plate neatly, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve warm. Chef note: make sure the pork is pounded evenly for even cooking. Do not rush the frying. Low and steady heat ensure golden crispiness without burning. Like and subscribe.